Are you interested in generating passive income? In this video, we'll explore different ways to make passive income and provide you with valuable ideas. Imagine earning money while you sleep. With passive income, it's possible. Let's dive into the world of passive income together. One popular way to generate passive income is through real estate investments. Let's explore how you can make money by investing in properties. Another way to earn passive income is by creating and selling online courses. Share your knowledge and make money while helping others learn. Investing in dividend stocks is a smart way to generate passive income. Let's explore how you can earn money through stock market investments. Do you have a passion for writing? Publishing an ebook can be a great source of passive income. Let's discover how you can turn your writing into profits. Creating and selling digital products, such as graphic designs or software, can provide a steady stream of passive income. Let's explore the world of digital entrepreneurship. Investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Let's explore how you can earn interest by lending money to others. Building a successful YouTube channel can provide a passive income stream through ad revenue and sponsorships. Let's uncover the secrets of YouTube success. Investing in index funds is a popular way to generate passive income. Let's explore how you can grow your wealth through diversified investments. Creating and selling print-on-demand products allows you to earn passive income by leveraging your creativity. Let's discover how you can turn your designs into profits. In conclusion, passive income offers financial freedom and the opportunity to live life on your own terms. Start exploring the different ways to make passive income today.